In this video, I show you how to fix Google search problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, check that your Google app is up to date or not. For checking this, go to Play Store, search for Google, click on Google. Now up to date your Google app if available in update version. Then go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search Google app, click on Google, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear cache, then clear storage, then delete. Now open Google app, click on it. Now search anything on Google. Now I hope that this method fix Google search problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.